Well, hi, my students. Hey, we're here at the start of Spirit Week. Ooh, excitement, excitement, excitement. So, excuse me. This is not fitting on the page for some reason. I made it a little bit too spaced out. So write these down, turn it off, write it down, and then I'm going to move this over. And then you can write those two problems down, do them, and then turn me back on, and I'll do the problems for you. Here we go. Whoa. Okay, do those, and then I'll do them for you. Thank you very much. Well, welcome back. To be honest, I wanted to do this a couple hours earlier, but I couldn't stop laughing that Michigan State lost. Oh, to an unranked team. Oh, I'm sorry, my little Michigan State friends. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Here we go. So to solve this, oops, let's get that on there. So I'm going to add 3, odd 3, odd 3. Now notice this is on Tuesday's quiz. So we'd have 3x is less or equal to 63. Then, let's see, we're going to divide everything by 3. I don't know why this is not showing up very well. Maybe you can darken your screen or something. I'm trying to adjust this. Oh, that's a little bit better. A little bit. So, we'd have 11 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 21. So, doink, doink. 11, 21, solid dots, or if you want to be fancy, brackets, brackets, whee. Okay, this one, now most people get this one wrong. No matter what I do, people can't help themselves. But you want to get x to one side, so I'm going to subtract 4x, subtract the 4x, so x is greater than 0. You want to get the x by itself. Here I'm going to divide by -1, so x is less than -10. So therefore it's or, so here's -10, here is 0, and this is going to be a typical looking or. Wee, wee, do it with me, wee. Now this one, oh, gee, Mr. Murphy, even though you suggested I want to do it wrong and not get rid of the fractions. Well, that's okay, but I'm going to do it right by getting rid of the fractions. So the LCD is 6, so it'd be 3x plus 6 is greater than 2x plus 5, because 6 goes into 6 once, 1 times 5 is 5, 3 goes into 6 twice, 2 times 1 is that. I'm going to subtract 2x. Hey, hey, hey. I'm going to subtract 5. No, I'm not. I'm going to subtract 6. Sorry about that. Because I got the x's to the left, so I need to get the numbers to the right. So almost messed up. But your mental ability saying, hey, Mr. Murphy, don't mess up, really helped me. Now be careful. This is x is greater than 3. So we have, here's -1. Whee. Here's 3, wee. So the answer for or would be the longer one because this is shaded. Anywhere it's shaded, it's part of the answer. So, wee. And let's see, for this one, multiply both sides by 3. So x is greater than 18. Here, multiply both sides by -2. So x is less than 60. Wow. So it'd be everything between 18 and 60. Now again, if you want to be fancy, you could use parentheses. That's what the upper level do. So here we go. That's it. Now, if you want to, you could write the answer this way. That's a horrible inequality, isn't it? Less than 60. It's between the two. Now, let's flip it over. Now, on tomorrow's test, Tuesday's test, I will have the start of the test have these 6 problems on. I might change the numbers, but Can you give me the graph? If you can do the graphs, that means you understand what an and an or is. That's why I do it. So go ahead right now, turn this off and get the final graph for me, please. Okay, this is going in the same directions, and it's an or, so it'd be the longer one. Now, if you want to draw 3 graphs, go ahead. Don't have a problem with that. But an or has to be the longer one, because anything bigger than 8 is automatically bigger than 6. So, ooh, this pen is not doing a very good job. This one. You have 6 is going this way, 8 is going this way. Well, actually, they're shading on the whole graph. So, doopy, 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 doink, doink. So it'd be all reals. Now, and can never be all reals because it's got to overlap. And you can't overlap the whole graph. Now here we got less than 6, so it's going this way. Greater than 8 would be over here, going this way with the space in between. It's or, so we include it all. 8. Okay. Now, greater than 6. So, 6 is going this way. 8 is going this way. Well, where they're shading on both? Well, it has to be greater than 8. The number 7 is bigger than 6, but it is not bigger than 8. So I need bigger than 8. Whee! Now, I have bigger than 6, smaller than 8. The only where it's true for both is between the two. So here we go. 6, 8, doop, doop, yay. Now this one, this is smaller than 6, so this way, this is bigger than 8, so we're talking over here. Well, where does it overlap? Where is it true for both? Well, there is no overlapping. There's no shading here that's here. So therefore, it'd be a blank number line. No reals. So good deal. Just wanted to give you a little review with ands and ors. So hopefully you'll review it. Have a happy day.